Exploring the vibrant world of Tokisha, unveiling her musical journey and iconic hits. Dive into the electrifying world of Tokisha, the Dominican sensation taking the music scene by storm. Her raw energy and unapologetic style captivate audiences, making her a force to be reckoned with in the industry. Experience Tokisha today. Meet Tokisha, a trailblazing artist breaking barriers and redefining music genres. Her fearless approach and innovative sound have earned her a dedicated following. Tokisha's unique blend of reggaeton, dembow, and trap sets her apart in the music world. Explore Tokisha's roots and upbringing in the vibrant culture of the Dominican Republic. Growing up immersed in rich traditions and rhythms, her background profoundly influences her music. The vibrancy of her homeland shines through in every beat and lyric. Discover how Tokisha's journey in music started and her first steps into the industry. From humble beginnings to relentless perseverance, her passion for music propelled her forward. Early collaborations and local performances laid the foundation for her remarkable career. Unveil the pivotal moment that catapulted Tokisha into the spotlight. A breakthrough single resonated with audiences, showcasing her unique voice and style. This defining achievement marked the beginning of her rise to fame and solidified her place in music history. Tokisha's chart-topping single, Linda, took the music world by storm, showcasing her raw talent and unique style. The song resonated deeply with listeners, reflecting the vibrant spirit of Dominican culture and highlighting Tokisha's ability to blend traditional sounds with modern beats. Para sparked global conversations and debates with its provocative lyrics and daring themes. Tokisha's unapologetic approach to addressing societal issues and challenging norms resonated with many, while also stirring controversy. The song solidified her reputation as a fearless and bold artist. Tokisha captivated audiences with its infectious rhythm and high-energy beats. The track became an instant hit, further establishing Tokisha as a prominent figure in the music scene. Its catchy melody and dynamic production made it a favorite among fans worldwide. Tokisha's ability to blend reggaeton, dembow, and trap sets her apart in the music industry. By fusing these genres, she creates a unique sound that is both innovative and deeply rooted in Latin musical traditions. Her genre fusion continues to captivate diverse audiences. Tokisha's lyrics are known for their bold and unapologetic nature, often addressing taboo subjects and societal issues. Her fearless approach to songwriting encourages listeners to embrace their true selves and question societal norms, making her a powerful voice in contemporary music. Tokisha's collaborations have been powerhouses of creativity, teaming up with global stars like J Balvin and Rosalia. These partnerships have amplified her reach and showcased her versatility, seamlessly blending styles and creating groundbreaking tracks that resonate with diverse audiences. Her music videos are a feast for the eyes, reflecting her bold personality and artistic vision. Each video is meticulously crafted, using vibrant colors and dynamic storytelling to enhance the listening experience, making her visuals as compelling as her music. Tokisha is a cultural force, challenging societal norms with her unapologetic self-expression. She encourages individuality and defies conventional standards, empowering her audience to embrace their true selves and sparking important conversations about identity and authenticity. Fans are drawn to Tokisha's raw energy and genuine persona. Her authenticity creates a deep connection, allowing listeners to relate to her struggles and triumphs. This bond fuels a passionate fan base that eagerly supports her every move. Her live performances are electrifying, leaving a lasting impression on audiences. With dynamic stage presence and captivating charisma, Tokisha brings her music to life, creating unforgettable moments that showcase her talent and leave fans craving more. Tokisha's talent has not gone unnoticed, earning her multiple awards and accolades. She's been recognized for her groundbreaking contributions to music and her fearless, boundary-pushing artistry. These honors highlight her influence and solidify her status as a trailblazer in the industry. On social media, Tokisha engages with fans through candid posts, live sessions, and behind-the-scenes glimpses. Her vibrant online presence allows her to connect deeply with her audience, fostering a loyal fan base that appreciates her authenticity and raw energy. Throughout her career, Tokisha has faced controversies head-on, addressing criticism with resilience and unwavering confidence. Her responses often mirror her bold music style, reinforcing her image as an unapologetic artist who isn't afraid to challenge societal norms. Tokisha is a vocal advocate for LGBTQ+ rights and various social issues. Her platform amplifies marginalized voices, promoting inclusivity and equality. Through her music and public statements, she encourages fans to embrace their true selves and fight for justice. Over the years, Tokisha has shown remarkable personal growth, evolving both as an artist and an individual. Her journey reflects a continuous pursuit of self-improvement and artistic exploration, inspiring fans to follow their passions and stay true to their identities. Tokisha's music production is an intricate process filled with creativity and hard work. Behind the scenes, she collaborates closely with producers and musicians, meticulously crafting each song. These sessions reveal her dedication and passion, contributing to her unique and compelling sound. Tokisha's upcoming projects promise to push boundaries even further. Fans eagerly anticipate her new releases, which are rumored to feature innovative sounds and thought-provoking lyrics. Her commitment to evolving as an artist keeps the excitement alive in the music community. Her influence on the music industry is undeniable. Tokisha paves the way for new artists, inspiring them to embrace their individuality and break conventional norms. Her bold approach to music and self-expression sets a new standard for creativity and authenticity. Tokisha's music transcends borders, captivating a global audience. Her unique blend of genres and powerful messages resonate with fans worldwide. As her international fan base grows, she continues to make a significant impact on the global music scene. Music critics and experts have lauded Tokisha for her originality and fearless artistry. Reviews often highlight her innovative sound and provocative lyrics. Her work consistently garners acclaim, solidifying her status as a transformative figure in contemporary music. Tokisha's international appeal is undeniable, as she continues to captivate audiences around the world with her unique sound and electrifying performances. Her ability to cross cultural boundaries has earned her a growing global fan base, eager for her next move. Critics and fans alike have praised Tokisha's work, recognizing her as a trailblazer in the music industry. Her fearless approach and innovative style have garnered rave reviews from music experts, solidifying her status as a critical darling. From her early tracks to her latest hits, Tokisha's musical evolution showcases her growth as an artist. Each release brings something fresh and exciting, highlighting her versatility and commitment to pushing the boundaries of her craft. When she's not making music, Tokisha enjoys a variety of hobbies and interests. Whether she's exploring new art forms or spending time in nature, these personal pursuits contribute to her creative energy and inspire her artistic journey. To stay updated on Tokisha's latest projects and discover more captivating artist stories, subscribe to the Music Educator YouTube channel. Join a community of music enthusiasts and dive deeper into the world of groundbreaking talent like Tokisha.